Assalamualaikum girls, welcome to your science class. This is the lecture number 1 of your second chapter, Components of Food. Though in the previous chapter we also have discussed about the food, but once again, what is a food? Food is a fuel which is burned to give us energy to do any kind of work. Food contains 7 essential components that we need to live and grow. They are known as nutrients. Nutrients give us energy and protect us from diseases. Essential nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamin, minerals, fiber, and water. Now we're going to discuss all these essential nutrients one by one. Carbohydrates are the sugar, starch, and fibers found in fruits, grains, vegetables, and milk products. Though often least in trendy diets, carbohydrates, one of the basic food groups, are important to a healthy diet. These are the compounds made up of three elements: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. We get carbohydrates from cereals such as wheat, maize, rice, jawar, bajra, potatoes, sugar, honey, bread, sugarcane, and sugar beet. Carbohydrates such as sugar and starch provide most of the energy to the body, and it is the cheapest source of energy for the body. Fats are the energy reservoir of the body. When we consume more carbohydrates than are required, our body stores the excess carbohydrate which is not burned as fats and lipid. These are stored just below the skin. Fats act as insulator and keep our body warm, and they protect the organ of the body. We get fats from ghee, butter, milk, eggs, and meat. There are two types of fat. Vegetable fats are found in oils made from plants such as coconut, mustard, and groundnut, whereas animal fats found in milk products such as butter, meat, and fish. Proteins are made up of many building blocks known as amino acids. Our body needs dietary protein to supply amino acids for the growth and maintenance of our cells and tissues. Amino acids are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus. We get protein from meat, egg, fish, pulses, and some dry fruits. Again, there are two types of protein: first class protein and second class protein. First class protein we get from animal products as they contains all the amino acids, whereas second class protein we get from plants and they do not contain all the amino acids. Vitamins. Vitamins are the substances that your body needs to grow and develop normally. Though required in very small quantity, they are essential to ensure the proper functioning of the body. They are important for the formation of tissues, blood cells, genetic material, hormones, and chemicals for the nerve system. They are necessary for the body growth, health, physical, and emotional balance. Minerals. A mineral is a chemical element required as an essential nutrient by organisms to perform functions necessary for life. Like vitamins, minerals are required in the body in the small quantities. They include iron, magnesium, copper, iodine, zinc, cobalt, fluoride, and selenium. Minerals are found in foods like cereals, bread, meat, fish, milk, dairy nuts, fruits, and vegetables. Just like vitamins, minerals help your body grow, develop, and stay healthy. The body uses minerals to perform many different functions, from building strong bonds to transmitting nerve impulses. Some minerals are even used to make hormones or maintain a normal heartbeat. Fiber. We have discussed fiber in the previous topic as well. Dietary fiber is found in cereals, fruits, and vegetables. Fiber is made up of indigestible part or compounds of plant which pass relatively unchanged through our stomach and intestine. Fiber is mainly a carbohydrate. The main role of fiber is to keep the digestive system healthy. Water. Water is an inorganic substance made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Water is not considered a food because it does not give energy like carbohydrates and fats or build body tissues like proteins. Water is, however, an essential part of man's diet because it helps in preparing food for assimilation by the body. Water plays an important role in a large number of processes like digestion, transport, and help in regulation of body temperature. Water is the solvent for all the salts in the body, and it is the medium which all chemical reaction takes place in the body. Water acts as a solvent for transporting dissolved food materials from the digestive tract to the blood. Water also dissolves the waste material of our body and hence provides a good medium for excreting body wastes. An important role of water in our body is to regulate the body temperature, the process of sweating and evaporation. When the outside temperature is high, the water oozes out through the skin in the form of sweat. Without water, the body cells cannot function and they die. The amount of water needed by body depends on one's age, type of work, and the climate. A body gets a lot of water from many of the food items which we eat. For example, fruits, vegetables, meat, and fish give a lot of water to our body. Most of the water needed by our body, however, comes from the plain drinking water, tea, coffee, and milk, etc. This is the end of your lecture. Now on your page number 17, you are going to find out now you know. You have to do question number 1 only and you have to do it on the books with lead pencil. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.